A warm welcome, parents. As you know, I am the educator of your students. I am pleased to be gathered here tonight with you all to discuss the importance of health and physical education within the pedagogy. The HPE curriculum is underpinned by a strength-based approach which underlines students' strengths to nurture and perform on the participation in physical activities for the well-being of all students. The role of development supports students with different skills learned when practicing different ball throwing skills. As an educator, I have deemed the importance of acknowledging correct skills that allow students in Year 4 to have mastered the ability of overhand throwing a ball in any direction with the preferred hand, one-handed catch with the non-preferred hand, whilst discovering the ability to dribble a ball and to run with the ball to avoid objects and collisions. I have set up daily activities for the students to progress further on these particular skill sets. Based on the fundamental movement skills guidelines, the Year 4 students have mastered the ability to receive a rolling ball plus a bouncing ball by Year 1, and by Year 2 and 3 they are able to trap a rolling ball with preferred foot and run with coordination and control. Implementing these pedagogy approaches contributes to collaboration for students to develop a team-based environment, to conclude further environmental skills and social interactions, building strength-based inquiry skills through communication for critical thinking skills. Doing this promotes awareness for different abilities of the students. This pedagogy approach is important consideration as it is used as a traditional teaching approach, requiring your children to prefer further attention and correct movement and coordination to progress further with fixed motor pattern development to meet their performance acquired. As an educator, I believe the importance of physical and exercise for your students is to provide them with 60 minutes a day of exercise to develop healthy heart and lungs and strengthening of healthy bones and muscles. Overall, the students' coordination and muscle control strengthens to maintain healthy body weight and BMI levels. Within the classroom, physical exercise benefits students in vital connections to strengthen critical thinking skills. I have learned that the students' cognitive, socio-emotional, language and physical development progress best through physical exercise. And daily exercises and which I have planned out for the students, I believe that this one works best as well. I hope you all have enjoyed tonight's lesson and I have influenced you all to take tonight's lesson back home and to educate the students further. I hope that you enjoy this lesson and have learnt a lot from it tonight. Now, was there any questions at all? Yes,